morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. Got to get this video up because I'm going to show you a quick turkey gravy, giblet gravy recipe. Let's go. To get started this morning, guys, I have the neck and the giblets taken out of the turkey. I have 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and I have turkey broth from my turkey that I made, getting prepared for tomorrow, and half of a small white onion diced and 1 celery stalk diced. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put the giblets and the neck of the turkey in some water, and you're going to boil it. And you can see I have probably my medium-sized saucepan. So we're going to boil this and wait for this to get done. Just a quick glance at my ham that I'm cooking up for tomorrow. I did the turkey yesterday, so we will be having turkey and ham. So these are getting ready to finish up, and I'm going to take these out of the water and we're going to let them cool a little bit. Okay, so they look like they're cooked pretty good, and so now I'm going to let this water simmer a little bit because I'm going to use this for some of my giblet turkey gravy. I've chopped up the heart and the liver and the gizzards, and I have the neck over there in case I need more meat, but I think this is going to be just fine. So let's come on over here and I'll show you what I do. So I saved a little bit of the water from where I boiled all the giblets and stuff, and this is the turkey drippings that I took out of my turkey yesterday. So I'm going to use some of that. And you can modify this to however big your servings need to be and how many people are going to be at your celebration. And now I'm adding my cream of chicken soup. This is the top secret ingredient. We're going to blend that well, and we're going to heat it up a little bit. And this is kind of a foolproof kind of gravy. If it gets a little thin, if you feel like you've added too much turkey broth or left too much water in there, then you can always add just a little bit of starch at the end to thicken it up. So now we're going to add our celery, our onions, and our giblets, gizzard, liver, and heart. Ew, I can hear some of y'all going, ew. But full of iron, guys, and when it's in this gravy, you can't even taste it. So let's get this stirred up. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And this is something quick that you can do Thanksgiving morning. If you're in the habit of, like I used to be, this year I had to go ahead and get the turkey done because we're going to my daughter's house. It's a bigger place. There's not going to be many of us there, but we're going to set up tables out in the backyard. It's supposed to be 72 degrees here tomorrow, and that's how we're going to celebrate our Thanksgiving. But in years past, and normally I am up at about 3 o'clock in the morning putting the turkey on, and that's just always been my tradition. It is something I'd like to hand down to her. She's not ready to do the turkey yet, though, so I had to pre-cook that a little bit this year so I could do the ham today and get all the rest of the sides done. But normally, guys, this is all done Thanksgiving morning. So let's let this simmer on about medium heat. I hear Christmas music in the background, my most favorite time of the year. So you can see the consistency of it. It looks pretty good. If you wanted to, you could add some of your dark meat or even white meat turkey to it to give it a little bit more beefiness. So I'm just going to stir this until the cream of chicken soup starts to smooth out, and then we will have a smooth turkey giblet gravy that's super easy, super fast. Continuing to stir here. Now, some people even add mushrooms to their turkey gravy, which is also very good. You can either put fresh in there or you can use the canned mushrooms. Okay, guys, it's just about done, and that is it. That is how easy it is. Again, people add mushrooms. Some even add boiled eggs. I've done that in the past too, but we're making this as simple as we can today. So I wanted to get this out there so that you all would see it, and you might have an idea for your Thanksgiving and even Christmas. Here in Texas, we eat turkeys and ham again at Christmas, and so we'll do this whole routine again. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a quick recipe hack for you guys for tomorrow. I hope that some of you are able to use it. We do appreciate each and every one of you. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Be safe. Be very safe, and take care. God bless, and we will see you in a couple of days.